very good morning to all of you. So let us continue with 11th chapter. We were doing 11th chapter yesterday. We were doing 11.3 and it's 8th question. Let us continue. Question number 8, exercise 11.3. So I was telling you that a piece of paper is with you, of which you are going to, just a minute, wait. Piece of paper you are going to fold. This is a cylinder actually earlier, and you have cut this cylinder along with its height, and you are getting a rectangular piece of paper like this. And it is given that lateral surface area of this cylinder, it is 4224. So firstly we have written, let R be the radius and H be the height of the cylinder. So we are given lateral surface area, this is 4224. So 2 pi RH, this is 4224. Up to this we did yesterday, right? Whatever is given, I'm just having it, I'm just writing it so that we can use it properly, right? He says this cylinder, it is cut along its height, and you're going to get a rectangular piece of paper whose width is 33 meter. Okay? So after cutting the cylinder, along its height, a rectangular sheet of paper is formed. A rectangular sheet of paper is formed with width या breadth एक ही बात है, 33 meters. So when we are cutting this cylinder, we are getting a rectangular sheet of paper, this like this, and its width it is given to be 33 meters. 33 meters हमें इस sheet की paper of sheet की width दी हुई है. Now you see, this is the cylinder. When it is opened, we get a rectangular sheet. The folded cylinder, it turned into rectangular sheet. So yesterday I was telling you that this 33 meters, this width 33 meter, when I fold it again back in the form of cylinder, अगर मैं दोबारा इससे cylinder ही बना लूँ इस sheet से, then the thing that you will be getting, you are observing this 33 meters जो इसकी width है, वो fold होके इस तरह से cylinder का नीचे वाला घेरा बना रही है. So what is this? This is the base of the cylinder, and base is in the cylindrical form. That means this 33 meter, this is going to be the perimeter of the base. खुला तो 33 मीटर रेक्टेंगुलर शीट की विड्थ बन गया, बंद हुआ तो 33 मीटर उसके नीचे वाले घेरे का पेरीमीटर. Opened in the shape of rectangular sheet with 33 meter, closed in the shape of cylinder, 33 meter turned to be the perimeter of the base. Opened, 33 meter is the width of the rectangular sheet, and closed, 33 meter will become the perimeter of the base. Opened, 33 meter will be the width of the sheet. Closed, 33 meter will be the circumference of the base of the cylinder. So again and again I'm doing this activity so that it should be in your mind that how we are turning this width to be the perimeter of the base of the cylinder. So also perimeter of the base of cylinder, this is equal to width of rectangular sheet. perimeter of the base of the cylinder is equal to width of the rectangular sheet and that is equal to 33. Perimeter के नीचे perimeter का formula लगाओ. Base of the cylinder, as we discussed on the first very day, that base of the cylinder is always in the form of circle, right? And the radius of the cylinder, जो circle, देखो किसी cylinder की radius क्या होती है? Cylinder की radius will be same as the radius of the circle, which is on the upper and the lower part. Basis पे जो circles हैं, जो उनकी radius है, वही तो radius of circle cylinder है. तो इसका मतलब when I am talking about perimeter of the base of the cylinder, which is a circle, its perimeter will be written as 2 pi r is equal to 33. So 2 pi r, this is equal to 33. Now see what we want to find. We want to find the perimeter of rectangular sheet. We want to find the perimeter of rectangular sheet. This is rectangular sheet whose width is 33 meter and whose length, जो हमारे सिलेंडर की हाइट थी, ये सिलेंडर की जो हाइट है वो जब ये ओपन हुआ रेक्टेंगुलर शीट ऑफ पेपर की लेंथ बन गई. सिलेंडर की हाइट, पेपर की लेंथ, सिलेंडर की हाइट, पेपर की लेंथ, सिलेंडर की हाइट, पेपर की लेंथ. इसका मतलब ये हुआ हमने रेक्टेंगुलर शीट ऑफ पेपर का perimeter we want to find. So perimeter for that, width is with us and length is to be evaluated, and whatever will be the height of cylinder, that will be the perimeter, that will be the length of the rectangular sheet of paper. That means we need height of the cylinder to reach the length of the paper. You see, this is equation number 2. We need h. See equation number 1. It is 2 pi RH, and here h can be obtained if you know the value of 2 pi r. So you see in equation number 2, 2 pi r is equal to 33. So you will write from 1 using 2. From 1 using 2. So you will write 1 once again. Equation number 1 आपने लिख ली. यहाँ पे 2 को यूज करना है. We have to use equation number 2 here. In equation number 2, Rhythm, do send me the name of the absentees after in the end of the lecture, right? So I have told you to send me the holidays homework as well, and no response is there except 7 to 8 students. Marks are to be given, so better to send your work well in time. So this is the value of 2 pi r. Replace कर दो यहाँ पे 33. So h is equal to 4224 upon 33. कटिंग करें सीधा, मुझे लगता है 33 के टेबल पे हो जाएगी. 33 1 जा 33 2 जा तो ये 128 मैंने 33 के टेबल पे सीधा ही जो है वो कैंसिल आउट कर दिया. सो h कम्स आउट टू बी 128. So width was with us, rectangular sheet of paper, width was with us, and we need to find this length, and the height of the cylinder is nothing but the length of the paper. So height of the cylinder comes out to be 128 meter, and this is going to be the length of the rectangular sheet. So I'm writing therefore length of sheet is equal to height of cylinder. So length of sheet comes out to be 128. L is equal to 128. So rectangular sheet of paper की length हमारे पास 128 meters is there, and breadth is 33 meters. We want to find the perimeter. Let us find. Perimeter of sheet is equal to 2 into L plus P. Perimeter, sheet is rectangular, so formula for the perimeter will be 2 into L plus P. So write it. 2 into 128 plus 33. That is 2 into 161 322 meters is the answer for the perimeter of the sheet. Yes, Rhythm, what do you want to ask?
मैम मैंने कल और परसों के एब्सेंटीज आपको मैसेज कर दिए थे, मैं आज की भेज दूंगा आपको.
हाँ, डेली you have to send, right? चलिए, anyhow, so this was question number 8. Let us start with the 9th question. Question number 9. Ninth question is, a road roller takes 750 complete revolutions to move once over to level a road. Find the area of the road if the diameter of the road roller is 84 centimeter and length is 1 meters. First of all, we all have seen one or the other time the road roller on the road which is leveling the road. I am taking this chalk to be road roller. ऐसे ऐसे घूमता जाता है और रोड पे जो मिट्टी होती है उसको लेवल करता जाता है ना. So road roller, I am taking this chalk to be road roller. So this is, you know, road roller, it is always in the shape of cylinder. पहली बात स्टेटमेंट को हम समझते हैं, पहले हम उसका जिस्ट देख लें. रोड रोलर इज ऑलवेज इन द शेप ऑफ सिलेंडर. मान लो दिस इज अ रोड एंड यहाँ पे उबड़ खाबड़ सी मिट्टी है एंड रोड रोलर हैज टू लेवल द रोड. रोड रोलर ने यहाँ से शुरू किया, धीरे धीरे रोड पे चलता हुआ आगे जाता जा रहा है, घूमता जा रहा है और पूरी रोड को लेवल कर रहा है. रोड रोलर इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सिलेंडर whose diameter is given to be 84 centimeter. Diameter is given to be for 84 centimeter. Don't confuse with the word mentioned here, length. In case of cylinder, if I'm talking about length, that is equal to height of the cylinder. चाहे कभी वो length word भी use कर ले, आपने उसको height of the cylinder ही मानना है. So h is equal to 1 meter. So let us convert this meter into centimeter because मेरे को decimal नहीं पसंद, तो मैं मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट कर दूँ. 100 centimeter. Right? So this is the diameter. Whenever we are talking about cylinder, cylindrical object, उसके कोई भी formula, whether it is curved surface area 2 pi r h, radius is used. Whether it is total surface area 2 pi r into h plus r. Whether it is volume pi r square h, r is used. Diameter is nowhere used. So let us convert this diameter into radius. This is 84 upon 2. So radius comes out to be 42 centimeter and height is 100. Nothing I am doing. Whatever dimensions are given, I'm just looking at that what kind of figure he is talking about and what radius and height the figure is having. This is a cylindrical road roller. So its radius and height is given to be this. आगे देखो क्या कह रहा है. He says 750 complete revolutions are taken by this road roller to level the playground. 750 revolutions. 750 बार ये घूमता है पूरी रोड को लेवल करने के लिए. तो इस रोड का एरिया कितना होगा? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ दिस रोड? सी, रोड रोलर यहां पे था, मैंने यहाँ पे एक पर्पल लाइन बनाई है. रोड रोलर यहां से पर्पल लाइन से शुरू करता है घूमना, और जब इसका एक चक्कर कब होगा? जब ये पर्पल लाइन वापस नीचे ना चली जाए. चली गई, एक चक्कर पूरा हो गया. जैसे इसका एक चक्कर पूरा हुआ, रोड का इतना एरिया लेवल हो गया, इतना काम इसने कर दिया. फिर इसने दूसरा चक्कर कंप्लीट किया, रोड का दूसरा थोड़ा और हिस्सा एरिया जो है वो लेवल हो गया. थर्ड चक्कर में more area is leveled, and fourth चक्कर में, and so on. And in this way it is completing 750 revolutions, और 750 revolutions के बाद रोड जो है वो लेवल हो जाती है और हमें उस रोड का एरिया फाइंड करना है. If I ask you that when the road roller is completing one revolution, how much area is covered in this single revolution, what will be your answer? If this road roller is taking one revolution, एक चक्कर लगाता है यहाँ पे रोड पे, कितना एरिया उस एक चक्कर में वो रोड का लेवल कर देगा? एनीवन? कितना एरिया वो उस चक्कर में लेवल कर देगा? कृतिका इज टेकिंग द इनिशिएटिव. यस कृतिका, यू टेल. कृतिका, unmute yourself and let me know what is in your mind. Yes, Kritika, come forward. Yes, speak up. I can see you. You have unmuted yourself. Voice is not audible. It's not coming to me. Mic is not varying. It means some internet problem is there at your end. Anyone else who can tell me that how much area this road roller is going to level in one revolution? चलो अच्छा ये छोड़ो, मुझे ये बताओ कि इस सरकमफ्रेंस तो यहाँ पे है, एंड पे है ये. एक मिनट, अच्छा मुझे एक चीज बताओ, जब ये रोड रोलर इस रोड पे घूम रहा है तो इस रोड रोलर की कौन सी चीज जो है रोड को टच कर रही है?
हाइट.
हाइट? ओनली हाइट? पूरी इसकी साइड बॉडी, रोड रोलर को टच करेगी, तब जाके एक चक्कर पूरा होगा. यहां से शुरू हुआ, यहाँ पे खत्म, पूरी साइड बॉडी. और सिलेंडर के केस में जो पूरी साइड बॉडी होती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं सिलेंडर का? कृतिका, सिलेंडर के
फेस.
हाँ क्या?
फेस.
फेस. और वो फेस, ये साइड वाला फेस सिलेंडर का कौन सा एरिया बनाता है? जो पूरा साइड पे दिख रहा है, जो पूरा टच कर रहा है उसको, जमीन को. हाँ जी तानिश, यू टेल. इस सिलेंडर के कौन से हिस्से ने रोड को टच किया एक चक्कर निकालने में? तानिश, यू टेल. यस तानिश.
मैम उसका कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया.
बिल्कुल ठीक. रोड रोलर
मैम अगर उसका जो रोड का एरिया है उसको हम डिवाइड कर दे कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया से, फिर एक चक्कर का वो आ सकता है.
दैट इज फर्दर आई एम टेलिंग यू. पहले मैं ये जानना चाहती थी कि आप लोगों को ये चीज पता चल रही है कि नहीं, कि जब ये रोड रोलर घूमा तो इसकी साइड वाली बॉडी जो है उतना एरिया इसने कवर किया. और साइड वाली बॉडी कितना एरिया कवर करती है? कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. आपने कभी ऐसा रोड रोलर देखा रोड पे जो ऐसे पहले चलता है, फिर ऐसे स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में आ जाता है, फिर इधर स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में आता है, फिर ऐसे चलना शुरू कर देता है, फिर उछलता है इधर, फिर उछलता है इधर, फिर घूम? कोई रोड रोलर ऐसा नहीं होता. रोड रोलर ऑलवेज रिवॉल्व लाइक दिस. It means cylindrical road rollers, upper face circular face and lower circular face, they are having no role in leveling the playground. The only role of the body of the road roller which is involved in leveling the playground is its side portion and which is its curved surface area. So एक चक्कर में when this road roller is revolved once on the playground, how much area will be covered? That is equal to its curved surface area. So we will write area of road leveled by road roller in one revolution is equal to curved surface area of road roller. अब ये रट्टा नहीं होना चाहिए, आपको समझ आनी चाहिए कि when road roller is leveling the playground, its upper circle and the lower circle, they don't have any role in this task. The only thing which is playing its role in this task, that is the curved surface area of the road. And that is equal to, we know it, but it is 2 pi RH. Replace the values. This is 2 into 22 by 7 is 5. R you can see 42 and H is 100. Centimeter square. $264. 26,400 centimeters square is the area of the road roller. Area of the road balanced or the leveled by road roller in 1 revolution. और जो रोड रोलर है पूरे रोड को लेवल करने में उसने 750 चक्कर काटने हैं. 750 revolution is it is to do to finish the work. So area of road is equal to area leveled by road roller in 750 revolutions, right? And you know, in 1 revolution the area covered was this. For 750 revolutions area, we have to multiply this by 750. This is 26400 into 750. Do the multiplication, you will get the answer. 264 into 75. $19800. Maybe the answer is in terms of meter square in your answer list, in the answer list of the book, but it doesn't matter. If it is asked in meter square, then you have to divide by 10,000. Otherwise, leave it in the centimeter square. This is the area of the road which the road roller is going to level in 750 revolution. 750 revolution में road roller जो है वो इतना area road का level करेगा. So this much area is there of road. Only thing is you should know, you should keep in mind or you should realize it that area covered by road roller in 1 revolution is only its curved body, side body. No road roller is like this, who is moving in the curve shape, then standing, then moving. No. Road roller is always moving in this form. It is never like that its upper and lower circles, they are touching the road. Kabhi nahi touch karte upper, lower circle. Right? So this is all about question number 9. Let us start with 10th question. Very important, all these questions, you will see these kind of question in 9th standard also. Question number 10. 10th question is, a company packages its milk powder in cylindrical container whose base has a diameter 14 and height is 20 centimeter. There is a cylindrical container in which company is packing the powdered milk. Diameter of the base is 14 centimeter. And height of this milk powder, this is given to be, milk powder container is given to be 20 centimeter. He says, company places a label around the surface of the container. If the label is placed 2 centimeter from top and bottom, what is the area of label? What he says that company is writing on this container powder milk label the company wants. So everyone puts label of the thing, whatever is contained in the particular, you can say, box. So same the company is doing. Company is placing the label on this container on which it is written powdered milk. How the label is placed? For placing the label, 2 सेंटीमीटर नीचे से डिस्टेंस छोड़ा गया एंड 2 सेंटीमीटर ऊपर से डिस्टेंस छोड़ा गया और इतने हिस्से पे लेबल लगा. Powdered milk. This much portion, the label is placed and it is written on the label powdered milk. We want to find that how much area this label is containing. So when we are talking about cylindrical, you can say box, and the label is placed over there, just a minute. सिलेंड्रिकल बॉक्स, इतने हिस्से पे अगर हम लेबल लगा दें तो वो लेबल सिर्फ आगे आगे नहीं, पूरा पीछे घूमेगा, पूरा पीछे घूमेगा, राइट. इफ वी आर प्लेसिंग, अगर मैं आपको ये मान लो ये लेबल है हमारा, अगर ये लेबल लगा है इसके ऊपर तो आगे पीछे पूरी बाउंड्री पे घूमेगा. ये नहीं कि आगे आगे लगा दिया, पूरी बाउंड्री पे घूमेगा. पेज नहीं है इसलिए आपको लग नहीं रहा. दिस लेबल विल रिवॉल्व थ्रू आउट द बाउंड्री. तो इसका मतलब इफ वी वांट टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस लेबल दैट इज आल्सो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सिलेंडर, लेबल जो है वो सिलेंडर के फॉर्म में है, तो हम इस लेबल का अगर एरिया निकालना चाहते हैं तो हमें इतने हिस्से का कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया निकालना पड़ेगा जहां जहां लेबल लगा हुआ है. जब लेबल लगा, जो हमारे पास डायामीटर सिलेंड्रिकल पाउडर कंटेनर का है, वही डायामीटर, द सेम डायामीटर विल बी ऑफ लेबल, क्योंकि लेबल का घेरा भी उतना ही है जितना इस सिलेंड्रिकल कंटेनर का है. तो डायामीटर ऑफ द लेबल विल बी सेम एज दैट ऑफ द कंटेनर. नाउ हाइट ऑफ द लेबल इज गोइंग टू बी डिफरेंट. फुल बॉटल इज ऑफ दिस हाइट, but label is on this much portion, 2 centimeter leaving above, 2 centimeter leaving below. That means height of the label is equal to total height of this cylindrical container minus 2 from upper side, 2 from lower side. I hope this demonstration will help you to understand the things. Chaliye, so we'll write diameter of label is equal to diameter of container and that is equal to 14. Therefore, radius is equal to 14 by 2, that is 7. This is the radius of the label which is placed on the container. Now we want to find the height of the label. Let us see how to find the height. So we will write height of the label is equal to total height minus 2 from the upper side, 2 from the lower side. इसको h बोलो. That is equal to 18 minus 2, that is 16 centimeters. This is the height of the label. Now we want to find area of the label. So we'll write area of the label is equal to its curved surface area. Label is also in the cylindrical form, I told you through demonstration. So you will see this is 2 pi RH. Putting the value of radius and height, you will be having 22 by 7. Radius is 7. Height is 16. 44 into 16. 704 centimeter square. This will be the area of the label. So 704 centimeter square, it comes out to be the area of the label. So we see that in this exercise, we did the question related to cube and cuboid, its total surface area, its curved surface area, etc. Right? So 11.4 exercise, it is concerned with the volume of the same figures. Now we will discuss the questions related to the volume of cube, cuboid and cylinder. And I told you the formulas earlier that if we are talking about volume of cube, cuboid and cylinder, I told you earlier, this is A cube, cubic unit होते हैं इसके, L into B into H, and this is pi r square H. And you know, when we did the curved surface area, lateral surface area, I told you that curved surface area is obtained by a simple concept, perimeter of base into height. Perimeter of base into height. And at the same time, I told you that how with the which concept is working behind the volume. Can anyone tell me, anyone remember कि वॉल्यूम के पीछे हम कौन सा कॉन्सेप्ट वर्क करता है? जैसे कि कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया के पीछे कॉन्सेप्ट वर्क करता है पेरीमीटर ऑफ बेस इनटू हाइट. वॉल्यूम के पीछे कौन सा कॉन्सेप्ट था? हाउ वी कैन ऑब्टेन वॉल्यूम, व्हिच कॉन्सेप्ट इज वर्किंग बिहाइंड वॉल्यूम? हाँ जी रिदम, यू टेल.
Area of base into height.
Very good. So the this is area of base into height. Sometimes in exam you are given perimeter of base and height and you are asked curved surface area. You just multiply perimeter of the base and height, you will reach to the curved surface area. Sometimes in exam you are given area of base and height and you are being asked the volume of the figure. So what formula you will apply? Area of the base and height को multiply कर दो, you will reach to the volume. ये बड़ी मतलब सीधी सी बात है, देखो ध्यान से. ये है बेस का एरिया. सिलेंडर की बात करूं मैं तो ये बेस का एरिया है, सर्कल. अब इसको ऊपर ऊपर उठाते जाओ, हाइट बढ़ाते जाओ. जैसे जैसे हाइट बढ़ेगी ये कंटेनर की फॉर्म में बन जाएगा, इसमें कोई चीजें आनी शुरू हो जाएंगी. ठीक है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी से area of the base when it is multiplied by the height, we are getting volume of the 3D object. Area of the base multiplied by height, we get the volume. Right? चलिए 11.4 exercise we will continue tomorrow.